Hi guys, there is no phone in the world which has best all the features. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro has some qualities that have kept it popular. For example, the camera is the same as the iPhone 13, which is unthinkable at such a low price. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro is a top phone at a low price. Besides the high-spec screen, the camera array sets the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro apart from its rivals. A 108-megapixel camera at this price is unheard of and rare everywhere. Its camera is comparable to the iPhone 13. Primary 108-megapixel 11.52 sensor, 0.7 micrometers pixels, f/1.9 lens. Ultra-wide 8-megapixel sensor, f/2.2 lens, 118 degrees field of view. Macro 5-megapixel sensor, f/2.4 AF lens. Depth 2-megapixel sensor, f/2.4 lens. LED flash 2160p/30 fps, 1080p/30, 60 fps. Friends, click on the link given in the description box of the video for details. Please subscribe if you like. Thanks for watching.